Good morning, guys. Okay, here I am about to take the ferry trip over to Culebra. It's a 1 hour, 30-minute trip, and it's $2.50 per person. As you can see, it was empty early. And you will see
all the way down.
The reason why you need to get there early and filled up quickly.
Look at all the...
And by the way, if you didn't get your tickets early, if you didn't pre-order them, you must get there early, as you can see how crowded it gets, and they will sell out, and they sell out pretty quickly. So always try to get your tickets in advance and get there early so you can get on the ferry and be on time.
Right, you're bouncing it too. All right, guys, time to rock and roll. We're going on the boat right now, heading over to Culebra. Here we are. Let's go. This is going to be nice. This is going to be all right. Hope I don't need one of those bags. Hope I don't need one of them. This is not going to be good.
Culebra, culebra.
All right, there, the ferry's there. So, I know. Well, Puerto Rico. I don't think we're going to see brown water in Puerto Rico unless it's like a river. What? Huh? All right, so this is where we board.
Okay, guys, just to let you know, when you get on the boat, if you do get sickness from being on the boat like I do, but for some reason or another, I didn't get sick on this boat. Actually, it was pretty good. The ride on the boat was actually fairly smooth, but they do hand out barf bags. So if you decide that you think, you may need to, do what you have to do, they will give you something for that. So it was a nice ride, nice trip, hour 30 minutes. It was good. So if you do come to Culebra, enjoy your trip.
So we have to sit inside. I was hoping to sit outside. We can't sit outside?
And outside of where? Why?
There you go. You already know. Yeah, I was hoping to sit out here. Huh?
You can see our 5 you want upstairs.
I might have to.
I'm sitting right here.
I think that'd be pretty nice.
Yeah.
The only thing I didn't like about the ferry trip was there was no outside seating.
Actually help.
Everything was inside. So pretty much got inside, took in all the views, but it's not like sitting outside. So, just got some rest in because it was a long trip. Had to get up at 3:30 in the morning to get down to catch the ferry. So this was some much needed relaxation time and a very nice view.
still hot. Look at him. Look. You probably see the fish down here.
Oh, I like it.
Look how clear that water is right there.
Here's the fish. Ooh, the fish.
Okay, guys, we at the end. We made it on our trip. We're just getting off the boat now. We're going to take in some of the sights here, but you'll see that in the next video. So please hit the like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.